Welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS, Open Broadcasting Software. Okay, so first of all you need to download OBS from here by clicking on Windows or macOS or Linux, but I am showing this for a Windows machine. So you need to install it, and after you install it you just need to open the software. Okay, OBS. Now I have created a display capture. So I'm going to just delete this. There is nothing here. If I click a new one, come here, my display capture, click on OK, make source visible. Okay, and there is no thing here. Okay, so how to fix that? There's a quick fix. Just close it down. Okay, and then right click on your mouse and click on display. Okay, and then click on here graphics and come here and click on browse, and of course you need to find it program files and OBS studio, and then click on bin, click on 64-bit, and here it is, OBS 64. Okay, and just click on here add, and click on here option and make it to power saving. Okay, and then click on here just for save. Okay, and then close it down and then open OBS again, and then of course it will work. Now it has come. Okay, I'm going to delete this again, and then just click on here, click on again display capture, and it just came. Okay, this is a quick fix. Okay, so thank you all for watching my video, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Thank you again.